Good evening, teacher. Today I'm going to explain in that the nature of the teaching approaches and the methods. Where into the methods there are techniques, strategies, and resources. All of these are essentials to foster the teaching English learning process. The nature of the teaching is focused on approaches, methods, technique, strategies, and resources. Approaches, they are known as theories. Why theories? Because they have a lot of information. For that reason, they are known as a general. Also, they are known as axiomatic. Why axiomatic? Because they describe the nature of the language teaching and learning. On the other hand, methods. They are practice, they are known as specific and procedural. Why procedural? Because there are many approaches like a communicative learning, audiolingual method, total physical response, CLIL, direct method, grammar translation method, and others. And as English teacher, we can choose any kind of method and we can apply it into the classroom. Next, technique, strategies. Both of them depend what methods the teacher can apply in the classroom. Also depend on what learners level and students age. Finally, there are resources. They could be digital or physical. Digital, for instance, video, movie, audio, and everyone now today there are free apps on the internet whereas English teacher can choose and download and we can share into the classroom. Physical, for instance, books, live worksheet exercise, reading, or other exercise on the sheet of paper. Thank you so much.